Hey guys, welcome back, and you can see me right there. I'm just looking, and today we'll be going on to trolling, catching otters first, and my uploading will be long, so please be patient. And yeah, I'll be adding a background, but I'm not sure how to do that. And you might see me lagging. I might just head this camera over. It's a pretty sunny day, I could say, to be honest. Yeah, I'm in Code's admin house, and we'll be going on it and trolling people, like exposing and stuff. It looks like the camera's very high, but yeah, and now it's just loaded. I'm on Windows 7 basically, so OBS might not work on that. I know it says it's just for Windows and Macs and other things, but I'm not sure if it works properly on that. And yeah, check out my no. How am I recording this right now? This is which I can't tell you because I just want to not tell you. But you're my friend, so I gotta tell you. If you go screencast slash, not like this slash, not like this, and and then Lajo, and then slash Matix. Then it'll take you to this website, and yeah, you're there. And there's a music going on, so on a Roblox music. Okay, somebody's like glitching. I'm guessing this server is just gonna be savage. Can you see, man? Look at this. It's so much. Gosh, they do like these glitches, and yeah. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna just move this. Okay, and I'm gonna just move the camera right up here. Okay, we are right here now. This is lagging. I'm lagging to be honest. And there's a random walking pumpkin. It's almost Halloween, but for Halloween, Muslims don't celebrate Halloween, but I get Halloween stuff on, and yeah. And oh yeah, shout out to Big Bobby, one of my friends from school, yeah, we'll be making the videos together. It's like epic, and yeah, so we'll be heading over. Oh yeah, I have a thing to say. Don't ever, ever order. That's the thing everybody should learn. Don't ever order. And I'm just laggy. You can see the screen. I'm lagging. So basically, oh yeah, it's back. Okay, we got a person here. Just don't mind the lag, cause it's whenever I record screening. Okay, she left. She thought I was like Xbox Skype or no. Okay. So yeah, we'll be heading. Okay, we're going to go another server because there are too much lag. I left the game. There's too much lags and stuff. So we'll be heading over to. I need a order game. Follow the rules anyways, because that's important. I'm gonna reload it. I'm swinging the camera, I don't know why. And yeah. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like, and this is my first time using Screencast-O-Matic. I'm gonna just have a check if it's out there. Nope, not here. I'm just like, can I hold this for a minute? Okay, I'll be doing Fortnite videos rather than Roblox. It's just cause I don't own it. So basically I'm gonna go Google and get Discard on. And yeah, I know Discard, everybody might know, but not some people. They might not know. And it's a black screen. Oh my gosh, what's this lagging? Discard. And it's loaded. So yeah, I'm gonna just come up with a tissue. I'll cut this area. This way. Atta, see, go ahead. My brother's just annoying. And yeah, this is my Facebook video. You might wanna add me. The number's right here. Hashtag 5845. But you can add me, but if you like tell me off, then you can't join, because you're probably gonna tell me off, some big guys. I'ma just move screen here so we can't touch it. I'ma call him, and yeah, let's see what he's doing, guys. I'ma just be quiet so he doesn't find out that we're recording. He's not gonna get mad, he's just gonna go like, okay. And he's still offline, so I go wait. And yeah, I'll be doing more epic future videos. Pass me some blankets, freezer, even though it's sunny, I just blankets and keys off. So I don't know what to do, guys. And yeah, he's playing Jailbreak right now, and yeah, he is. Yeah, he left the call's gone. Oh, as you can see, this is where I got it. If you click launch, hold on, let me move this. Launch recorder, then here's what you press. Launch recorder. Let me just show you. You can see this two bar, this one has faces, or even though you can see them out. Launch recorder stuff. This is my house, and yeah. Council Lane, Manchester, Council Lane. Not far from Council Lane 2. Yeah, you might live there and you might ask for some. Well, yeah, it's pretty good. This recorder is actually amazing, to be honest. So we're going to be heading over to here. Oh yeah, sorry. You might see me blurry right now. Okay, you do. But I gotta keep this not blurry. The video calls loading and calling at the same time. I might make you hear him just like a minute. Okay, he's off. He's probably chilling on Jailbreak. That's a pass, Grindin. And yeah, we're going to be heading over to Slenderman instead, because I don't like lagging that much, even though I'm gonna lag in Slender 2 by Kines 97, and this is the game rules. Get Roblox anyways. If you don't have it, get it. It's pretty good. And it says one player is chosen to be Slenderman every round, and they must be kept other players from from collecting pages. Headphones are recommended. Yeah. So we have game badges, Larry the generator guys. We have Victor's touch. Is that new? Oh no, he's not. Speeding Slender. And for people who are not slender, they are close calls, win around as Says you what this is, when 5% or less energy left. What? For cylinder again is gotta touch them all. When I want that cylinder, you truly are the very best, like no cylinder ever was. Strategy. Yeah, this happened lots of times. I got it, collecting the last remaining page, and yeah. I just want like more funds to do, and yeah, I need my help on my videos, but at least I got Aaron Killer Auto Team. He's going to be the future boy. He's going to help me with this, and yeah, he's going to be helping me. And yeah, but I'm just gonna put my chuck right under here because I can see better. And there's lots of things to go in this game. Oh hell! Okay, hell no! I'm not doing all of those fans. There's like so much I can't even count. Too much. And sorry guys, I end it here. It's just cause I couldn't like get my recording on, cause I'm not a great video maker, but I'll try to be popular soon. So end it here, and goodbye. I wish I had my outro and my intro. Bye.